All right, we're at about 50, kind of in the flow of the traffic. We're not aggressively on the gas, but it's stop and go. So you got to pay attention. If you reach down to your sandwich or coffee or send a text, you're going to rear end someone. So I'm trying to be gentle and not hit this gas pedal really hard or brake. I want to be very predictable. And the one thing I look for in adult drivers and teens, predictability, smooth driving. Excuse me. We're going to be taking another road in a second. It's going to be fun, fast, exciting, but also safe. So I'm trying not to hit the brakes every moment. So I'm trying to keep a good following distance by lifting my foot, adjusting myself from this Ram 1500. It's like an early 2010 model, it's kind of rusty. And then we're going to be making a left-hand turn. We're not following the truck, trust me. I'm going to squeeze my brakes. I'm a little fast. See how quickly this truck is old. You see how it kind of shifts. Oh, the J turn. There are 2 lanes. Some states have these, some states don't. We'll be turning, going all the way over to the right. And we are turning in inside lane. This is just like your driving test. We're in the inside lane. We have a blue sign for a hospital. We turn in the nearest lane. We also want to see the rear of the tires on the ground. If we were rear-ended, we would have one collision from behind. If we were too close, we would be pushed into this truck. My blinkers on, I'm looking. I'm going in the nearest lane. This person's late. Someone also hit this 50 speed limit sign. So you can tell this person's late. They went from the middle lane back to the right. You can spot speeders if you are driving long enough. What do I want to do? I want to get over to the middle lane. Remember I talked about that? And now we are smooth. We're scanning. I see the gray vehicle. And I'm going to keep moving. Yeah, they're late. They're going like 65. You can tell by how the video looks. We're smooth. We're not moving. Thank you, Jackson. Hopefully you're driving like this too. Thank you for that thumbs up. It means a lot. People who are tailgating, cut lanes left, cut lanes right. This vehicle, like that girl running, got to stay focused. That car's in a hurry up there. In this driving environment, we're in a thoroughfare that is 50. I know you see the 35 mile per hour sign. That's only during school. We're in the summer. Also, you see a school bus on the left with the stop arm out. We're on a divided roadway. So they have to stop. We do not. You should see that to the left. That's the teachable moment. Yep. Sucks for them, but you got to follow the rules. This is very peaceful for the moment. 2-lane roadway, broken white line. Hopefully the video looks nice. I do care about quality. I want to do a really good job for all of you. Good morning, E. How are you? Thank you. It means a lot. And E, I want to say thank you for taking the time to support. How are you doing?